Okay, this is homework number 7. So, kind of a review of everything that we've been doing so far. Number 1 says, what is the value of x in the picture below? Okay, so we're looking for x there. All right, my hypotenuse obviously is going to be 7. So, just using Pythagorean theorem, okay? Okay, question number 2. The benchmark scores of students are as follows: 80, 95, 85, and 100. What is the mean absolute deviation of these benchmark scores? So mean absolute deviation, we have to find the average of those scores, add them up, divide by 4 because there's 4 scores. Then find the difference between your average and those test scores, and then find the average again. Okay. All right, number 3. What is the scatter plot, or does the scatter plot below show a linear or nonlinear trend? So my scatter plot, the points kind of go like this, and then they go back up like this, and then go down. Okay, so is it linear or nonlinear is what you're putting. Okay, number 4. What is the length of the missing side in the right triangle below? So we're looking for this side right here. Okay, we're given the other two, so Pythagorean theorem. So figure out what it is we need to do. All right, number 5. What is the mean absolute deviation of the number set below? So again, we're looking for mean absolute deviation. So just like the question earlier, you'll do the same thing. Number 6. What is the length of the missing side of the right triangle shown below? So we're looking for this right here. Okay. The hypotenuse obviously is the 14. So Pythagorean theorem again. Number 7, using the table below, write an equation in slope-intercept form. So y equals mx plus b. You got to find the slope and you got to find the y-intercept. Number 8, what is the unit rate of the table below? So all you really have to do is put y over x to find the unit rate. Okay, number 9. The volume of the cone shown below is 280 centimeters cubed, and the area of the base is 35 centimeters. What is the height of the cone? So for a cone, we got volume equals 1/3 area of the base times the height. That's the formula we use. Now, we do know the area of the base is 35, so the capital B part of that formula is 35, and we know that volume is 280. Okay, so kind of just figure out from there what your height would be, how to find the height. All right, using the scatter plot shown below, how many miles? How many miles will you have traveled at 40 hours? The trend line has already been drawn. So at 40 hours from here, where would this line, the trend line that you see there, where would it be at about 40 hours? So it's got to be somewhere right in here. So kind of just put a guesstimate of what it would be, the distance it would be. All right, that's it for homework number 7. All right, hope you had a good first day back from the spring break. Let's try to get all our homeworks done, and we'll see you tomorrow.